now discussing exercise 6.2, third one now solving. See third one question what give. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q, one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. It means what? First one circle draw which have a radius 3 cm. And what do that? Center point through 7 cm distance take a right hand side. It means extended form, and 7 cm take a left hand side. There are two external points whatever we are getting, they are through what we want, that a pair of tangents we want to draw this given circle. Okay, now this construction, now we what we doing step by step solving them. Step 1, draw 3 cm one line segment. I took this scale and one what do that 3 cm one line segment we want to draw. Here middle we kept this, and 3 cm one line segment we want to draw. This 3 cm line segment we drawn. This name what we gave, this O, and what O, this R, O R we took this. Okay, this how much centimeter we took? 3 cm. Now step 2, take a compass. In compass take OR distance, that is a 3 cm distance in a compass, and what do that? Needle of this compass, see OR distance we took in a compass. Needle of this compass put on a point O and one circle draw. This like one circle drawn. Okay, one circle drawn. Now step 3, in that extend this OR up to 7 cm to the left hand side. It means 0, this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cm what we did, this extended to the left hand side, to the right hand side. Similarly 7 cm distance what we want to do, this increase with this like kept a 7 cm, 0, 7 to this 7 cm we increase. This diameter we extended to the both side at distance 7 cm. Okay, and these points we name want to give P and Q. These are the given question. This P and Q through we want to draw pair of tangents to the given circle. In step 4, take a more than half of OP and needle of this compass put on a point P and one arc draw upside. This like same arc downside, and needle of this compass again one time put on a point O and what do one arc draw upside and downside. This like that intersecting arcs getting same procedure here to that. More than half of this OQ, needle of this compass put on a point O, again one arc upside and one downside. Same needle of this compass put on a point Q and one arc upside and downside. Here these intersecting arcs we getting, this intersecting arcs through passing one straight line draw, which is a step 5. Now we are drawing this intersecting line through this intersecting arcs. This like one, same here one line draw. This like we drawn, and the straight lines we shown here. Now what do? This first intersecting line where intersect this OP, that name give a M, and second intersecting line where intersect this OQ, that name give a N, MM. In a step 6, take a compass. In that compass take a PM distance in a compass, PM distance, and needle of this compass first put on a point M and one circle draw which intersecting previous circle. Same again one time. Take now in a step 7, take again one time NQ distance in a compass, and needle of this compass put on a point N Again one circle draw, just like intersecting. Here we getting two new circles, and these two circles intersecting previous circle at point here and here, here and here. These points we want to give name. This first point we consider A, this is a B, this is a C, and this is a D. In step 8, join this AM, join this in step 8, join this AP, which is the external point P, through first tangent AP, and similarly they join PB, which is again one external point, which is a drawn through external point P. Same procedure here, do that. If you join this QC, we getting again one tangent, which is a drawn through that external point Q, and here Q and D, what do this join? Here we getting required pair of tangents through external point P and Q, which is the required construction for given this question. Thank you for watching.